Welcome, everyone, to today's Explainer. Look, as a digital marketing expert, I am literally always on the hunt for those ultimate tools. The ones that actually streamline our creative workflows, help us plan out crazy complex projects, and let us generate stunning visual assets on the fly. Well, today we are completely unlocking the practical, everyday capabilities of Google Gemini. We're going to see how this AI is way more than just a chatbot. It's really a comprehensive creative assistant that can fundamentally change how we handle logistics and edit visual content. Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. 1. Welcome to Google Gemini. 2. A custom Goa travel itinerary. 3. Nano Banana image generation. 4. Prompt styles and ratios. And 5. Seamless AI photo editing. Let's jump right in.
Section 1. Welcome to Google Gemini. So, Google Gemini is this highly popular AI tool, and it's super easy to access on both your phone and your PC. And sure, just like other major language models, you can ask it basic questions or have it draft up scripts for your next ad campaign, but it's actually a deeply versatile multimodal tool. The real magic here? It isn't just in the software itself, it's all about how you talk to it. The quality of what you get out depends entirely on the instructions you put in.
Section 2. Custom Goa travel itinerary.
If you've ever organized a creative retreat or a complex client shoot, you know firsthand just how brutal logistics can be. So, imagine you're traveling to Goa for 3 days. You don't just want some generic copy-paste list of beaches, right? You have highly specific constraints. You absolutely need vegetarian food spots, you want the best local markets for shopping, and you need exact timings to keep your production schedule super tight. So how do you get the AI to do all that heavy lifting for you?
Well, the secret sauce is the perfect prompt formula. Step 1. Assign the AI role so it completely understands the perspective it needs to take. Step 2. Set your basic parameters, so your location and duration. And Step 3, actually, this is the absolutely crucial part for planners and creatives, add your specific constraints. Setting very clear boundaries like only vegetarian food and must include shopping markets is exactly what yields those high-value, usable results.
Here is the actual prompt in action. We tell it, act as a professional travel planner, we specify the 3-day Goa trip, and then we layer in those strict requirements about vegetarian options, markets, and exact timings. The prompt is the protagonist here, guys. The more detailed and demanding you are as the director, the better the AI is going to perform.
And the brilliance of this output is that it doesn't just give you vague ideas. It delivers a beautifully structured timeline. It suggests an 8 a.m. breakfast at a specific real-world location, Navtara Veg restaurant. By 3 p.m., it has you watching the sunset at Chapora Fort, cleverly noting that, hey, this is the spot from the movie Dil Chahta Hai. It mapped out exactly what we asked for, complete with a totally separate list of vegetarian dining options like Little Italy.
Section 3. Nano Banana image generation.
Now, if you're a marketer who needs rapid visual assets, you absolutely need to know about Nano Banana. This is an advanced image generation AI model, and it's accessible right inside the Gemini chat interface. You literally just look for the little banana icon. The beauty of this tool is that it lets you generate highly specific, professional-looking visual content that does not exist anywhere on Google Images. It's completely unique.
Say, you need an image of a super vibrant community. You don't need to assign the AI a role for this, you just need incredibly vivid details. Look at this highly cultural prompt. Create a cheerful Indian society in New Delhi, like Gokudham Society. Show families, scooters, and plants around. Bright, colorful, and happy atmosphere. The AI takes all those specific little elements and instantly builds a custom visual asset for you.
But you aren't just limited to realism. You can create wild, completely non-existent scenarios. Imagine typing, a monkey wearing a torn kurta pajama, selling tea in old Delhi streets, people drinking tea. It's brilliant, right? This perfectly illustrates how Nano Banana can take completely contrasting, totally imaginative concepts and stitch them together into one stunning, cohesive image.
Section 4. Prompt styles and ratios. Getting the image is just step 1. Formatting it is step 2. The overall style of your image can be dictated by just a few tiny keywords placed right at the very beginning of your prompt. If we take our tea-selling monkey, starting the prompt with "create a realistic scene" gives you this photographic result. But simply swapping those exact words to "create a 3D Pixar-style scene" completely transforms the output. For creative A/B testing, this is an absolute game changer.
Okay, next up, we have to talk about aspect ratios. If you are making content for YouTube, obviously, you need a horizontal format. If you're churning out mobile reels, you need it vertical. By simply tacking on the ratio at the end of your prompt using colons, so like 16:9 ratio or 9:16 ratio, you basically force the AI to alter the dimensions of the final image to fit your exact needs.
Now, we do need to impartially note the differences between the free and paid tiers of Gemini when you're generating these images. The free tier uses the fast model, which is great, but it does limit you to about 3 or 4 image generations per day. More importantly, the free version can sometimes struggle with specific aspect ratios, frequently defaulting back to just a 1-to-1 square. The paid plan, on the other hand, unlocks the Thinking V3 Pro model. This flawlessly handles diverse aspect ratios like 16:9 and gives you much more extensive generation limits. Ultimately, both produce great core imagery, but the paid tier definitely offers tighter control over the format.
Section 5. Seamless AI Photo Editing.
All right, moving to our final and honestly most impressive feature, editing real photos conversationally. You seriously do not need complex layer-based software for this anymore. It's this incredibly intuitive show, don't tell, iterative process. You just hit the plus icon, upload your own photo, and start commanding the AI in plain English text step by step.
Check out this rapid-fire edit sequence. We upload a simple photo of a person wearing a green sweatshirt. First command, make me wear denim jacket and white t-shirt. Instantly, the AI swaps the clothing. Notice how the subject's face is perfectly intact, the background remains totally untouched, but the wardrobe is completely refreshed.
Then, building on that exact same chat thread, we type, change the background to a luxury 5-star hotel room. Boom. The subject is now standing in a high-end hotel room. There's no masking, no green screens to mess with, just a single sentence prompt. But here is a massive pro tip straight from the source. The background changed, right? But maybe the lighting on the subject doesn't quite match that brand new room. So we give it edit number 3. Match the room lighting with me so that it should look realistic and not edited. The AI totally understands this nuanced request and beautifully applies the warm, ambient tone of the new hotel room directly onto the subject, blending them seamlessly into the environment. It's wild.
Finally, to really sell that professional look, we conclude the editing stack with this command. Add blur effect to the background so that it looks captured with a DSLR camera using 50mm. The AI instantly shifts the background out of focus, giving you that beautiful depth of field that mimics a super high-end camera lens. So in just 4 simple text prompts, we have completely rebuilt a photograph. And honestly, that is the true power of these tools. Whether you are acting as a digital marketer trying to plan a highly complex, constraint-heavy travel itinerary for a big creative shoot, or you're generating and editing DSLR-style photos from absolute scratch with just a few keystrokes, the control is entirely at your fingertips. The only real limit is your ability to communicate your vision. So I'm going to leave you with this thought. Knowing what you know now about structuring these instructions, what will your first perfect prompt be? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep experimenting out there.